Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Wix plan easy tutorial step-by-step clear. To cancel your Wix plan, begin by visiting the Wix website. Log into your Wix account using your email and password. Once logged in, access your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Billing and Payments option on the left-hand menu. Click on Billing and Payments to open your account settings. In the Billing Settings section, find the Subscriptions tab. Click on the Subscriptions tab to view your current plans. Identify the plan you wish to cancel. Next to the plan, select the Manage button. In the Management options, look for the Cancel Plan option. Click on Cancel Plan to initiate the cancellation process. You may be prompted to choose a reason for cancellation. Select a reason from the drop-down menu, if required. After providing the reason, confirm your cancellation by clicking the Continue button. Review the cancellation details on the confirmation screen. To finalize the cancellation, click on Cancel Plan again. You will receive a confirmation message that your plan has been canceled. Check your email for a confirmation notice regarding the cancellation. If you have any issues, you can contact Wix support for assistance. Your plan will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.